Today I'm going to show you guys how to install a Tusk overhead storage bag on your Polaris RZR. It's a simple install. It should only take a few minutes. So let's go ahead and get started. If you have a roof installed, the first thing you want to do is loosen up your mounts. That's going to give you a little bit of clearance to install your straps. From here, you want the Tusk logo and zippers facing the back of the machine. And then all you have to do is install the 4 straps around the roll cage. Now you can see we have this foam strip here, so you can just put the straps over the foam, or if you want a cleaner install, you can cut those sections out where the strap is going to go. Now, if you did loosen up any roof mounting hardware, you want to go back through and tighten it all down. That's it for the Tusk overhead storage bag. If you need one of these, click the link in the description below. That'll take you over to our website. We offer free shipping on orders over $75. Now, if you want to see more helpful content like this, we've got a ton of videos on Polaris RZRs, so head over to our YouTube channel and subscribe. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ETVMC. Thanks for watching.